What's up, guys? It's BrickBoss Studios here again with another awesome fidget spinner summer edition, version 7. We're on version 7, everyone. Make sure to slap that like button. We are getting a whole lot of views on all of our other videos. And smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, let me show you this new fidget spinner I made. It kind of has like an opposite thing where it has that weird side on one side and then on the other. And here's a spin for you guys. One sec. Spins pretty good. It doesn't have the longest time, but yeah, it spins pretty good. Here's one again. I'll try to show it to you guys. So yeah, it spins pretty good. And yeah, so this fidget spinner spins pretty good. Easy to make. One thing, you might want to have big fingers if you're going to build this one. And yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe, and here's the tutorial. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. This is, once again, Summer Edition, version 7. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to slap that like button. Also subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to go check out my other videos. I have tons of other videos. If you guys haven't checked them out, make sure to subscribe and you can go check those out. And also, if you want, you can turn on turn on that bell icon at the bottom in the description down below. If you do that, you can get a little message in your inbox, and it'll tell you if I have a new video that you want to see. That's completely optional if you want. And yeah, so this fidget spinner spins pretty good. And yeah, so it's a pretty good fun one to play with. It's a bit big, and yeah, so if you have big fingers, it's good. Small fingers, sorry, but last video, it's also good for you people who have small fingers because you can use the one in the last video. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.